everyone, happy Tuesday. So today's video, we are testing out a ton of new makeup, which is why I am barefaced. No makeup on this face right now. I don't even have eyebrows on. Dude, I need some eyebrows. So anyways, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy seeing all the new makeup that we unboxed tested. And also make sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell if you guys are brand new, so you remember to come back every single Tuesday for these videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into this testing out new makeup and a little bit of skincare. All right, so first off, this portion of this video is sponsored by High Mirror. Thank you so much to High Mirror for sponsoring this video. You guys, this mirror is the coolest thing ever. I'm not even kidding. It is so awesome. If you are a tech fan like I am, you will fall in love with this. So this is the High Mirror Mini right here, and it's basically an intellectual mirror, you guys. It's like an iPad in a mirror, and it's awesome. This mirror does so many things, you guys. Just look at it. It is awesome. You can do so much with it. I'm actually gonna go to my vlog camera right here, so that way I can give you guys a better visual of what is going on. So this mirror does so many different things. You guys see that you get the time, you get the date, you get the weather. Like that's, is it really 58 degrees? Wow, okay. I love that. I love cold weather. Anyways, back to this. You get the skin analyzer, and then there's other devices that you can get to link with it, like the High Skin, which will really pinpoint any skin problems that you have and how to fix them. Then you also get the Body and Fitness, which is a scale that will link to this mirror. And you can go on this like whole fitness journey, which I'm thinking I want to get, because you guys know I'm on that like fitness lifestyle right now over on my vlog channel. So that's awesome. And then you get a beauty box where you can search all the products that you're using and you could put them in there. And it even gives you like a little expiration like update, like saying like, oh, this product is about to expire. Are these products really good for what your skin needs right now? You can even watch YouTube on here. Like I said, it's like an iPad in your mirror. We're gonna go right to Skin Analyzer because this is like one of the most amazing functions ever. I've already been using this, and you guys can see my skin needs some work, and I wish I would have done this when I was pregnant, because my pores were actually really, really good when I was pregnant. Like they were gone. But the second that my skin is now balancing back to normal after pregnancy, they're back and they are poor. So you can see poor, fair, average, good, excellent, and it rates everything. So for me, the wrinkles seem to be the worst spot right now and on my forehead. And they said that you can really combat that with hydration, sun protection, and also vitamin E, vitamin C products. So I think I'm gonna start incorporating more of those in my skincare. I've been already doing hydration a ton, which I've known about, but my skin has no Botox, no fillers. I have nothing done to my skin. I have not touched my skin with any type of needle in like almost 2 years. It's a long time. So there's nothing left in here. I used to get Botox in here and right here a couple years ago before I got pregnant. And since with pregnancy and then breastfeeding, you can't do any of that stuff. So I have not touched it since. So they definitely have come back there. But this is really cool because it tells you the areas that you need to target with. And I really, really like that. Like I'm telling you guys, this is like the coolest thing ever. It just tells you what you need. Like your skin can repair itself. Healthy young skin needs only moisturizer and sunscreen. So because of that, one of the products I really want to include in my skincare is the Supergoop Super Screen Daily Moisturizer SPF 40 right here. So it's a moisturizer and a sunscreen in one. So it's going to do both those things, hydrate and protect it. It gives you a bunch of little tips as well, like, you know, getting rid of junk food and all that. But also the next thing that is really exciting is right here. Boom, we've got lights here, and you can change it from wherever you're at. So you can do outdoor, it's got 5 different settings. You can do outdoor and sunny days, bright office room, supermarket, restaurant party room, and sunset. So there's supermarket, there's restaurant party room. So like say if you're going to a restaurant and you want your makeup to look a certain way in that lighting, boom, you use that one while you're getting ready. And then if you're gonna go out for a sunset, there you go. You got some makeup for a sunset for those selfie pictures during golden hour. And then outdoor and sunny days. I'm gonna do a bright office room because I am filming and I want my makeup to look really good during this like filming setup and everything, because I have a very bright room right now. Coolest mirror too. And then also, since it has a camera in here, and you know we're all about that privacy life, you can just push it down and boom, the camera is covered. So you guys can see, I'm not kidding about how awesome this mirror is. I am ecstatic about it. I was just going on and on about it with Joel a while ago, and he's like, that thing seems really, really cool. So if you guys want to save 15% off of this mirror, you can use my code HIMADISON, and I will have the link and everything in the description box for you guys. And that code is only valid between February 15th to February 28th. So it's not valid for very long, so make sure you jump on it. I'm telling you, this is the coolest thing ever. And also, if you have an Alexa, I really want to say that. Oh, there she goes. It connects to your Amazon Alexa in here. It's so scary saying the word Alexa. But it even connects to that, and I have them, literally I have one in my bedroom, I have one in Riley's nursery because I control it with the music that I play for her when she goes down for her naps, and then we have one downstairs. Like, this house, we love technology, you guys. It's just awesome. Like, when I read that even offers that, I was like, this is so cool. So I know this intro is pretty long, but I'm sorry, I just get so excited over really fun technology, and this is the coolest thing ever. So I definitely recommend it, you guys, but we're gonna be using it when we get ready. I'm gonna be using this when I get ready anytime because this is awesome. So we can I just love the fact that I can watch YouTube. Like, that is so cool. Anyways, I'm gonna stop getting super excited over this mirror, even though it's freaking awesome. And we're gonna go ahead and get into some makeup testing. So the first thing that I wanna try out here is the LMS Superfood Kefir Tea Mist. It's the priming hydrating mist for all skin types. It has coconut water in it, and it's gonna nourish, hydrate, and prime the skin. So I'm not going outside today, so I'm actually going to skip the SPF because I'm not leaving the house today. I'm gonna be inside playing with Riley because Joel has to go and run errands today. So, ooh, this is cool. Look at this guy. It just goes to show how important skincare is, you guys. It truly is so important. Oh my gosh. First off, smells like I just walked into a spa. Second off, that mister on it is so refreshing. It's not one of those ones that like goes like right into your face. It's like really, really refreshing. I can't wait to see how my makeup sits on it and is throughout the day, but so far, I like it. Actually made my face, look at my dewy face. Oh, it looks so much better, because look at, oh, I'm so expressive, so I've got those lines, and that's what this is telling me, like, ooh, you need to work on that. Since I don't have any new foundations to try out, I'm actually gonna be using this Hourglass one, the Vanish Seamless Finish Liquid Foundation. I love this one. It is beautiful on the skin. It makes you look flawless. It's gorgeous, like legit. If I do a skin test after wearing this, I'll be like, oh no, you have no pores. They vanished. But yeah, it's really nice. So they sent me over another color, which is cream, which is a lot lighter, which matches me a little bit better. I actually still mix a little bit of bisque in there just to kind of give it a little bit more color. So I just mix it on my palette, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my face really quickly, and I will be right back. All right, so I went ahead and did my other makeup that I don't have anything new to test out. So we got bronzer, which you guys, I finally opened up my new Marc Jacobs one. The other one I had to retire. It was getting like too old, and it was getting really splotchy on my skin, and I could tell it was just because that was done. It was too old, we needed to move on. We opened up the new one. I love that bronzer. Now we're gonna test out this Nars one right here. This is the new Exposed Cheek Palette. I just saw this on their Instagram, and I was like, oh my God, this thing looks so cool. First off, the packaging is absolutely beautiful. It is like kind of like a watery type packaging. It's really neat. Okay, so here are the colors right here. They legit feel so nice. And it looks like we even have a highlight in here too that we're gonna use. Okay, perfect. So let me grab my brush, and I think we're gonna go ahead and just go into this tone right here. This one is called, I think, Come Hither or Now or Never. I don't know which one it is. I don't know, but it's this guy right here. So I'm gonna use him. It's really pretty. I like how subtle it is, and you can just build with it. Ooh, we got some life back into the face. That is really, really pretty, and I like the way that it went on my skin. It's not like sitting on top of it like a powder. It's actually very, very lightweight, and it's just a really awesome thin formula that's just beautiful. So I really like that. Now we're gonna go into this one right here. This is their highlight in this palette, and this is called either Tell All or Make You Mine. I don't know. I think it's Tell All. I'm gonna use that as the highlight. Oh, that's stunning. It's so soft. It just blends into the skin. They're like it feels like almost like cream products that go to a powder. It's such a nice formula. It is beautiful. I want to put some underneath my brow bone. Oh, this is like right now, it's just like a really pretty kind of like glowy look. That's very natural, and that's what I'm all about. So I really, really like this palette. I definitely recommend this. Okay, so for the eyes, I was gonna go into my Huda Beauty one, but this one just creates very purple and pinky looks, and I don't really feel like doing that today. I really wanna do a bronzy look, and the reason why is because I really wanna use this pigment from Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. I think this one is gorgeous. Last week was a complete mess, and I wanna try this out a different way to see if I can get it looking a lot better on me. And the pigment is beautiful, so I really want to use that. And for my eyeshadow palette that I'm also going to be using is another Nars one, and this is their Skin Deep one that we've used briefly before. This is one of my favorite go-to palettes right now. I think it's absolutely stunning. I love the matte cream shade that we have in here, the browns. I think they're all so beautiful and just perfect for everyday makeup. Like if you love browns and everything, like you got all that. I just love it. It's such an awesome palette. So I'm gonna go into this one right here, which is their kind of cool tone brown. I'm gonna fluff this into my crease like so, and then take a blending brush. So now we're gonna go into this pigment. This one is called the Goat one, and it's like a darker bronze. So you're gonna spray a little bit of Fix Plus on there, dip it into the pigment. Now I'm gonna apply this onto the lid. Oh, this is beautiful. This is so pretty. That is really, really pretty. Now I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna go in there and blend. We're gonna have to take like a little bit of a deeper brown to help blend it into the crease. So we're gonna take this brown right here and blend it, kind of making like a brown smoky eye almost. That is really pretty. I did get a little bit of fallout, but it's actually not that bad. All right, so here's the completed look. I think it's really, really pretty. If you really like an easy brown smoky eye, I think that's super easy and quick to do because I legit used 4 colors if you include the cream shade, but it really was just a soft brown transition, the pigment on the lid, and then a deeper brown in the crease, and that was it. Super quick. And I think it's really, really pretty. So now we're gonna test out this mascara from ColourPop. This is their volumizing mascara. All right, so for this mascara, I really wish I didn't have lash extensions right now because I think it would be really awesome on the upper lashes. The bottom lashes, it was beautiful. I like the brush on it. The brush is really nice. It's fluffy, but a lot of times when you see the fluffy brushes, you get like very clumpy mascara from it, especially with volumizing ones. But this one, not at all. It actually went on beautifully, and I love the way that it spaced out my lashes. So I actually really like this mascara, and I know it's very reasonably priced too because it's ColourPop. So that's really, really awesome there. I like that a lot. All right, so for a lip product that I'm gonna use this one from Nude Sticks, and this is the Magnetic Matte Lip Color in Boho. And it's just a really nice kind of cooler tone brown, which is what I'm looking for. I feel like this lip color just made this look. I think it made it really, really cool. Next up, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take like a nude, and this is from Hourglass, and these are awesome. This is in the color Futurist. It's a really pretty, like lighter brown. I wanna pot this in the center. I don't think it's gonna do anything. I think it's light enough. I actually like the texture that it made it. I like the finish of this one better than that Nude Sticks. So like that, that's really pretty right there. And then also Nars came out with these really awesome lip glosses right here. And these actually can be used for the cheeks, the eyes, the lips, anything. So I'm gonna try it for, it's called Star Babe, and I'm gonna try it for the center of this lip right here. It's like a silicone applicator too, which is really neat. Oh yeah, look how pretty. That is beautiful. I love just the way that made you look so glossy. I'm actually gonna clean off the applicator, which is really nice that it's a silicone. And I feel like this might even be fun to do. Let's try it on the lid, because it says that you can do it on the eyes. I don't see much of a difference on the lid. I think it kind of gave it a little, yeah, it gave it a little bit of a shiny finish. It's actually kind of a cool effect. It's like the glossy eyes, you know, how those are really in, especially, oh, it's sticking. It's sticking. I don't know if I like it on the lids. I feel like my lids are sticking now. Yeah, they're sticking. Not a fan of it on the lids. On the lips, it is beautiful, but not on the lids. The lids, not so much. Okay, so here is the completed makeup look right here. Definitely bolder than what I usually do. Even though I'm not playing with color, I went like bolder with my look, which is so much fun. I have not done a dark lip, I feel like, in so long, like a dark brown. And I really like dark brown on me. So now I really want to start using these more. I have to say though, I am not a fan of this Nars thing on my lid. It is sticking, like my lids are sticking, and I'm just not a fan of it. I really like it on the lips. Like honestly, on the lips, it's not sticky at all, but on my lids, I feel like it's sticking together and it's annoying. So pass on the lids. I think it's a really cool effect, but it's not comfortable whatsoever. So I'm gonna have to like take this off right after this video because it's annoying. But I love the way that the look turned out overall though. Some other products that I tried out that are new. This pigment is probably my favorite pigment out of the collection. I think it's stunning. I love the bronze. It's so beautiful. I really like the mascara, and I cannot wait to try it out when I don't have false lashes because I think it will be beautiful on. I like it that it wasn't clumpy, and you can really tell if it's clumpy on your bottom lashes. Like it can get clumpy real quick down there. And then also this palette from Nars is beautiful. I love the formula of it. It looks stunning on the skin. Like my skin looks flawless right now. It is so beautiful. Like that foundation, I like it. It definitely feels like you have foundation on, but it literally makes your skin flawless. So if you are taking pictures, if you're gonna be on camera, if you just wanna look flawless, you know, during the day, gotta try out this one. And definitely I have to say, having a flawless like canvas, like for your foundation, really helps pull looks together when they're a little bit more bolder and dramatic. I feel like they just go perfectly together, and this is beautiful. I really like the lip colors that I used. I definitely like the finish of the Hourglass one better than the Nude Sticks one, but these are like my favorite. I love these. These came out a while ago, but they're awesome. And then also I have to say this Element spray right here is really nice because I actually did my makeup earlier today, and I did not use this because I tested it out in this video, and my skin was looking really dry, and I used the same foundation and it was just looking really dry. When I used this today and then put my foundation on top of it, my foundation looks so much better. So I definitely have noticed a difference with this, and I can't wait to see how it sits throughout the day. But it definitely hydrated my skin really well, so I'm definitely gonna keep using this. I saw a difference with this one, definitely. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to High Mirror for sponsoring a portion of this video. I am so grateful to be working with them because this mirror truly is amazing. I've been having so much fun with using it, you guys. It's really helped pinpoint those areas that I need to target a bit more and work on. Wrinkles on the forehead, pores, yeah, gotta get those to go bye-bye. So I definitely recommend this mirror, you guys. I think it's awesome. And if you want to save 15% off, you can use my code HIMADISON, and the link is down below for you, but definitely check it out. It is so much fun. It's like a freaking iPad in a mirror. It's so cool. I love it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.